How do you maintain a rope bridge? At Treehouse Life, maintenance is not an afterthought. It's a long-term relationship. Every rope bridge we create is designed to stand the test of time and to be supported well beyond installation. Because true quality isn't just how something is built, it's how it's cared for over years of use. We work closely with our clients to establish a clear, structured maintenance program, tailored to the environment, the level of use, and the specific design of the bridge itself. Over time, this includes scheduled inspections, ongoing guidance, and expert oversight to ensure the structure continues to perform exactly as intended. Our team remains on hand, offering advice, support, and when required, returning to site to assess, refine, and maintain the bridge to the highest standard. It's a level of care that reflects the way we build. Thoughtful, considered, enduring, because when a rope bridge is properly maintained, it doesn't just remain safe, it continues to feel effortless, refined, and completely dependable. And that peace of mind is part of the experience.